Installing the Chrome extension you need takes seconds. Simply go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Instant Data Scraper. As you will see, it gets very high ratings. Add it to Chrome and click the pin icon to ensure it always shows in your browser. That's the setting for Google Chrome anyway. Your Chrome-based browser may have a slightly different way to ensure that Instant Data Scraper is always visible. Now go to Amazon and perform a search. Once the search results appear, click on the Instant Data Scraper icon in your browser toolbar. You'll see a pop-up window appear showing your data. And in your main browser window, the area that Instant Data Scraper has processed will be shaded yellow with a red border. As you can see, it's the whole page. Everything we want. Now save it to the format of your choice. I've chosen Excel and open the file in your spreadsheet. As you can see, all of the data is there. Product titles, average rating, number of reviews, price. For organic listings and sponsored products. Everything you see on screen and more. Ready for you to analyze however you wish.